I'm like super happy that I have a sandwich to eat right now, and I have like a whole bowl of this vegan chicken salad sandwich, you jerk! My cameraman just stole my sandwich. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and delicious video. I'm Janelle, and today I'm showing you guys how to make vegan chicken salad. That's right, I'm using soy curls, which are amazing. They're such a delicious plant-based source of protein, 11 grams of protein per every like one-ish cup serving. If you know how to make chicken salad, you know how to make vegan chicken salad. It's literally all the same ingredients, but without chicken and using some other plant-based alternatives like vegan mayo. So let's just get right into this. I know you guys are going to love this, and this is going to be your new favorite vegan obsession, I promise. So guys, this vegan chicken salad recipe is unbelievably easy to make and requires just a few very simple ingredients that you likely already have. So to your bowl of chilled and chopped soy curls, we're going to add some diced celery, white onion, and gherkin pickles. You can also use sweet relish if that's what you have. Plus add about a quarter cup of vegan mayo and a healthy dollop of Dijon mustard and garlic powder for some extra flavor. Season it to taste with salt and pepper and simply mix it all together in one bowl. It's literally that easy. I wish this video could be longer for you guys, but it's honestly just this fast to make. It requires no skill, hardly any effort at all, and it is just dang delicious. I love to enjoy this vegan chicken salad in sandwiches like you see here. If you want to dress it up a little more, you can add some avocado for extra creaminess. If you're feeling a little spicy, maybe chop up some jalapenos, or hey, if it's summertime, maybe grill up some corn on the barbecue and add that into the mix. That would be so epic. I just added some extra greens to my sandwich for, you know, the health. It is so delicious, and honestly, you could probably fool any meat eater into thinking that they're eating chicken, because this salad is seriously legit. The taste and the texture are out of this world. My cameraman just stole my sandwich. Well, there you go. It's that good. It is stealing worthy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below. I so appreciate all of you subscribers. It really helps build my channel. And if you have any questions about the recipe or any suggestions, comments, questions, let me know. I'm gonna go eat this, and I hope you do too. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Brad's distracting me with his sexy good looks. Top notch, baby.